Question of the day.
What can you do with a tree?
What can you do with the tree? Well, buddy, I'll investigate that for you. You can smash a tree, kick a tree, you can climb a tree, you can fall out of a tree, you can hug a tree, because a tree cannot do or say anything to keep you from doing it.
Stay away from me, idiot!
Shut up! Weak against a tree. You can eat a tree. Hide behind a tree. Be a squirrel in a tree. You can tickle a tree.